In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Photoshop on mobile the easy way, step by step. If you've been looking for a quick way to get Photoshop on your phone, this guide will help you find the right app, install it properly, and sign in so you can start editing right away. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple how-to videos just like this one. Let's jump straight into it. First, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. This is where you'll find the official app for Photoshop on Android. Once the Play Store opens, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type Photoshop Express. That's the mobile version you'll want to install because it's designed for phones and gives you access to editing tools in an easy-to-use format. After you type it in, look for the official Photoshop Express app in the search results. Make sure the name looks correct and that it's from the trusted Adobe developer. This helps you avoid downloading the wrong app or a fake version. Once you found it, tap Install and wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. When the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. The first time you open it, the app may take a second to load. After that, you'll usually see a sign-in screen. At this point, you can either sign in with an existing Adobe account or create a new one if you don't already have one. Signing in is important because it lets you save your work, sync your account, and unlock more features inside the app. If you already have an account, just enter your login details and continue. If you need to create one, follow the on-screen instructions and complete the setup. Once you're signed in, Photoshop Express is ready to use on your mobile device. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've installed Photoshop on mobile and set it up properly. Now you can start editing photos, applying effects, making quick adjustments, and creating content right from your phone. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.